5 bags.
No, that's
What the
normal.
fuck are you doing, Rain?
What?
No, yeah, sometimes
Holy
like,
shit! What the fuck is he doing?
What? What?
He's really prop spamming. Holy
Did it still be
shit!
his nephew?
It's
How much
okay.
you want to bet? It's his nephew.
Oh, the box. Yeah, a whole bunch of the world props are just so messed up right now.
It probably could be his nephew.
So.
I don't know
That'd be so
about that.
funny.
Never heard of his fucking nephew playing before, but this seems to be taking it too far, Chief.
Wayne is Big Wayne.
I don't think this is
Or his
nephew.
brother, I don't know.
I
Where's he
doubt
at? Nothing's even going on. Can you relax? You're like, nothing's legit
it.
wrong.
No, he was spawning a whole bunch of fucking barrels in slums. I'm recording it right now.
You gotta relax.
I'm going over to slums right now. I was just
You
in
mean
slums.
relax? Yeah, he's in slums. He has all these fucking
Why are
barrels
you
around.
recording him? It's his server.
But
Yeah,
why?
no, well, it's because like he wants to capture the like most retarded like.
Yeah, he is just spamming.
This
all
isn't fucking normal for an owner to do.
Yes, he's having rage. He is rage.
You know what?
right
He's
now.
he's like, I'm done living in this society.
You know what? I could just have a normal life, but fuck it.
You know what? I could have a normal life,
Hey, Rain's
but I had to
nephew,
really
Rain's
donate $300 to Rain.
Rain's nephew.
Yo, this is kind of crazy.
Dude, wait, it makes
This
sense.
is Rain's not. Oh fuck, that's not
He's
Rain's
just killing
nephew.
people.
That's not
Rain's
fucking
Been
Rain's
following him,
nephew.
like-
Dude, it's
I'm not
definitely his
following.
brother, bro. You see that? Like, you see his sensitivity, bro.
I think I know why I've been being, or why someone's
Yo,
been
it's Rain's nephew.
disconnected.
It's Rain's nephew. It's
Rain's
Rain's
Is it
nephew.
really?
I don't know.
That's what word on the street is. Apparently, it's Rain's nephew. Nobody knows
I don't
what's
know.
going
Rain's
on.
just baby raging. I don't know.
Except Rain's listening to Spotify.
What is he listening to right now?
I have
All right, someone.